Hello viewers, today I'm unboxing the Oyster self-cleaning juicer. So here's the package that comes in. So that's so it has the juicer, and then the cup that stores the juice when it comes out, and then the pulp. The pulp comes out on one side, and juicer comes out the other side. But this is the whole unit that comes in there. So you lift that handle down, take the top off, and there is that blade. Do not touch the blade, it's very sharp. Even when you're cleaning, you don't want to use your hand cleaning it, using a brush to clean it. But this is a self-cleaning, so should be easy cleaning. Here we are juicing apple. So this is a gala apple, and we're juicing it right now. And the juice come out real good, sweet. So the pulp comes out the right, and the juice comes out the left side. So if you cut down to smaller pieces, it's easier for the juicer to work. Makes you less effort. So you cut the apple down. I would even cut it smaller than what we have now.
Rồi. Đó, tắt rồi đó. Rồi, xong một món.
Now we're juicing grapes. The grape juice comes out real sweet. You can see the juice come out of there real good. Drop the grape in, push it down. The grapes jumping in there.
Bao nho được chừng đỏ thôi.
We're starting a self-cleaning process where we put the water inside that tube, the one you push down on the fruit. So you add the water to the top, then you close the lid really tight. Make sure it locks. You gotta lock it up. Then you put it in there. There's a button on the side, the arrow down button. Make sure when the cleaning is on, that button gets pushed in so it slides down to add water to the blade. And here we go. This is the loud sound. And it shuts off by itself after it cleans. So you might do it several, 3, 4 times just to get a real good clean out of it, and maybe use a brush. But thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.